This is determinant. It's a very well known and common chapter, highly required. Everywhere it is needed. See its uses. It is required to solve the linear equations, system of linear equations. Whether those equations are consistent or not, whether they have one or unique solution or several solution or having no solution. If you want to check, you need the help of determinant to solve system of linear equations. Second point, it is required to find the area of a triangle. Formula is half into determinant. Third point, it is required to check the collinearity of 3 points. If the 3 points are collinear, they can never form a triangle, so the area will be 0. So how can you check whether those 3 points are collinear or not? Determinant will say you, will help you. If the determinant of those 3 points is equals to 0, then the points are collinear. If the determinant is not 0, it is not collinear. So here 3 points means they are both the coordinates will be given and you have to fill the third column only by ones. This is the way. Okay, you have to fill the third column by ones and find that determinant. If 0, then those 3 points are collinear, otherwise not. You will come to know about this later. Fourth, it is required to find the volume of the parallelepiped. Fifth one, required to find the cross product or the vector product of two vectors. And we know all A cross B, A vector cross B vector, that is cross product or vector product. The formula is A into B into sin theta into n caps mod. All of you know in vector, but here using determinant you can to find the cross product or the vector product. Okay, this is the types of determinant. Determinant can be of many order. The smallest order is 2. All of you see, one order can be, it's of order 2, A B C D. Okay, so here two rows and two columns. Two rows are horizontal lines, two columns are vertical lines. Here if the determinant of those four elements A B C D, just use line bar symbol that symbolizes determinant, and the formula is A into D minus B into C. What to do here? AB taking first row position, CD taking second row, AC is the first column, BD is the second column. A is at left top, D is at right bottom, C is at left bottom and B is at right top. The cross multiply formula, A into D minus B into C. Left top with right bottom minus right top with left bottom. Okay, and in total, since it's of order 2, it has 2 cross 2, how many? 4 number of elements. Here one can easily find the determinant of 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, use that formula AD minus BC. Here A is 2, B is 3, C 4 and D is 7. That becomes 2 into 7 minus 4 into 3. Becomes 14 minus 12 equals to 2. Similarly, the next example shows to be acquainted with the negative numbers. Be careful, all of you. 2 minus 4, 4 minus 7. So it becomes 2 into minus 7 minus 14. Minus of minus 16, that is plus 16. So minus 14 plus 16 becomes 2. Find the value of x if the determinant is equals to 0. Determinant equals to 0 already given. You have to solve for x. So here just use that AD minus BC formula. It becomes x into x, x square minus 4 into 4, 16 is equals to 0. X square is equals to 16 and x will be its square root for plus minus 4. Next, another question for you. Find the value of x if 2x 5 second row 5x determinant is equals to 1. here you have to find the value of x. Just do a into d minus b into b. 2x into x minus 5 into 5 equals to 1. Okay. All of you know this is 2x, this is 5, this here is also 5. Okay, here is 1, here is x, and their determinant is equals to 0 given, equals to given, sorry, what is given there, just look at here, there what is given there, actually 1 given. Okay, so we have to erase this one. That is equals to given 1. Then since this is an equation, all of you know at left side we should have implies or implication. Then do the cross multiplication. 2x into x becomes 2x square. All of you see here. Okay. A into d, 2x into x becomes 2x square. Then minus 5 into 5, that is equals to 25, which is equals to 1 given, no problem. Implies you know how to solve an equation. 2x square is equals to 1, 25 minus 25 taken to right becomes plus 25. Okay, now it becomes 1 plus 25 is equals to 26. Then if 2x square equals to 26, no doubt your x square will be 26 by 2, that is equals to 13. If x square is equals to 13, x will be, no doubt, undoubtedly x will be 13 square root. All of you see, it's root over of 13, before to that plus minus, simple multiplication. So in this way, just like your general equation in x variable, convert this determinant to equation form and solve. You will find definitely x, whatever may be the value. Another question, trigonometric, find the determinant of sin theta cos theta and minus cos sin. Here just do the same, sin into sin becomes sin square, then minus of minus cos square plus cos square becomes 1. Here find the value of x if the determinant of x101 is equals to determinant of 1102. One can find just like find the left determinant equals to right one's determinant, get that equation, solve for x. Here it will be x into 1, x minus 0 is equals to 2 into 1, 2 minus 0. So x will be 2. Okay. Another question here, sin x cos x, sin y cos y, determinant. It becomes sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y is equals to sin of x minus y. Similarly, here you can find cos x sin x, sin y cos y. What this one will be? Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Very well known formula of trigonometry, that is cos of x plus y. All of you know about this. Here the same trigonometry, find the maximum value of 1 plus sin x cos x, second row is cos x sin x. We have to find the maximum value. Okay, 1 plus sin cos sin. Here it is already solved, shown everything, or you can do on your own. Okay, how to do, all of you see here. Our question is determinant of here 1 plus sin x. Okay, 1 plus sin x, and this one is C11 position. Then row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2 is C12 position, that is cos x given. Okay, and this is second row first column 2 1 position, also given cos x. You just see all here. And the last one C22 position is sin x. Okay, so here it is sin x. Its determinant is asked, find its maximum value. Find the maximum value of total determinant. Here A is 1 plus sin, B is cos, C is cos x, and D is sin x. So A 1 plus sin x, B cos x, C cos x, D sin x. Just use that formula. A into D minus B into C. It becomes 1 plus sin, all of you see, 1 plus sin x whole into sin x. Okay, then minus this one, all of you see, cos into cos, cos into cos. This one is cos square. Okay, then it becomes what? Sin into 1 becomes sin x. Or if you want to bring here cos, all of you see, if you want to bring here, so you can change this question, change this one to minus cos, suppose. So now it becomes minus, this one becomes minus, it becomes plus cos square, you can change. Then 1 into sin x becomes sin x, plus sin into sin, that becomes sin square x, all of you see. Then it is plus cos square x. Okay, then we got sin x plus sin square x plus cos square x, that is 1. Here just change the question, here cos and here it is minus cos, suppose. Then it becomes plus cos square, then sin x plus 1. We have to find the maximum value of this expression. And you know the range of sin x, all of you know. Sin x always lying between minus 1 and plus 1, all of you see. It always lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So the maximum value of sin x is 1. Okay. The minimum value of sin x is minus 1. This is the range of sin x. So therefore maximum value will be, maximum value of this expression will be, all of you see, 1 plus the maximum value of sin x. The maximum value of sin x is 1, all of you know. 1 plus 1 becomes what? Becomes 2. So the maximum value of this question will be 2. Suppose minus is not here, plus. You can find 1 plus sin whole sin minus cos square. It becomes sin x minus sin square plus cos square. Then sin x plus cos square minus sin square will be cos 2x. In that way you can to find cos square x minus sin square x, that is cos 2x. So sin x plus cos 2x. Sin x maximum value is 1 and cos 2x maximum 2, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So like this you have to find the maximum value of this question for you. You have to simplify sin square x. Second one sin x into cos x. Third position 2 1 minus cos sin. Here you do one thing, sin square into sin cube plus sin x into cos square x. Then take sin common. you can have sin square plus cos square. Then sin x whole into 1 sin x, and the maximum value of sin x is 1. All of you see. So all these are most expected questions. All of you see here. The determinant is found. It is found as sin cube x plus sin x cos square. Sin x is taken common. Finally answer becomes sin x. And we know the maximum value of sin x is 1. Okay. Here the maximum is asked. So all these are about determinants, and you will come to know about order 3 determinant later, not all at a time. So first be habituated with the determinant of order 2. Find the determinants of many order 2 okay matrices, and here find also the value of x. Okay, next class we will go to third order. Okay, thank you.